Want to use Perplexity Pro for free? Here's great news for all Airtel users. Airtel is giving away 1 year of Perplexity Pro, worth 17,000 Indian rupees, completely free. Here's how to claim it. Open the Airtel Thanks app. Go to the Rewards and OTT section. Find Perplexity Pro and tap Claim Now. Sign up or log into Perplexity AI. No payment, no credit card needed. Once activated, you'll get Sparkle's 300 Pro searches per day, Sparkle's access to GPT 4.1, Claude Gemini, Sparkle's file upload, document search, and image generation, Sparkle's All AI Labs features, completely free. Calendar this offer is valid from July 17th, 2025 to January 17th, 2026. Mobile phone works for all Airtel users, prepaid, postpaid, broadband, and even DTH. Red Circle, remember, no tricks, no hacks. It's an official Airtel partnership. So if you're an Airtel user, go grab your free Perplexity Pro now. Like, share, and follow for more powerful tech deals.